Alright, I'm out with Iron Mike. I think it's like February 25th. We finally got some nice weather. Just look at this. Beautiful.
Now there's a sign of spring. Some daffodils that are growing wild out by the pond. So even though it's the end of February, we already saw a whole flock of wood ducks fly over yesterday, real low. So we know they're out there looking for homes. And we just happen to have one. Perfect for the new couple who wants to start a family. Built this last year with the intent of having somebody in it this year. So I'm hoping that will happen.
So I'm driving through this area. Went to meet someone for something, and it's a bottom. It's all super thick and nasty, and I've already seen like probably 20 plus deer. You know, it's not valuable hardwoods, but for cover for wildlife, this overgrowth is just awesome. Totally awesome for wildlife. A couple more deer just crossed and jumped right into this pocket here. But it just goes to show how powerful overgrown areas are. We're offloading the new planter, and he's gonna do a bunch of stuff for me around the farm here today, which I appreciate.
Pretty sunny outside.
Okay, I'm going to feature Miss Kitty here in a few clips because recently she has become a star, both loved and hated. One of our videos just caught the algorithm and went wild. It's a video of her and a 6+ foot rat snake and a cute little baby fawn. Some people are calling it clickbait, while the vast majority have really enjoyed it. So I'll put the link in the description down below of this video. It's got like 1.9 million views so far. If you want to check it out, you can weigh in on it. Feel free, but let's continue on. Okay, so this little mini project was basically Mike helping me clean up my own mess. I had a little slip up with the planter, and it kind of fell on these two wheels on the ends here. So I was able to get 2 more of these packing wheels, but man, I'm going to tell you, it was a chore. It did not go as planned, but we got it all tightened back up, all bent back into shape and ready to roll.
This is an area of the woods that we really don't go in. It's actually just below one of the fields, which is way in the back there, and then there's this rock ledge that runs all the way around it and behind me. And we got a little bit of rain yesterday, so it has some water coming down. Normally it doesn't, but let's take a look at it. Pretty much sunny outside.
And here's a quick sneak peek of the shelving unit that Mrs. Kapper is working on for me. It's going to have 2 different levels and 2 shelves underneath on one half and 3 on the other. It should be really nice, so hopefully this will get done pretty soon for my ham radio stuff.
Well, look at that. It's 5 o'clock. Let's see. I'd say about 7-8 hours since I took that last picture. She actually moved. Sort of. Yeah, I bet you got a little tired moving, didn't you?
Of somehow, just not necessarily the whole project. Yep. Thank goodness for Iron Mike.
I think it's spring. Minnows are starting to wake up. Hey, little guy. You trying to stay warm too?